In today's fast-paced industrial world, your human-machine interface, or HMI, can make or break your operation. An outdated, confusing HMI means costly errors, downtime, and frustrated operators. But it doesn't have to be that way. Imagine an HMI that's intuitive, efficient, and designed to work with your operators, not against them. That's the power of the ISA 101.01 standard. It's a game-changing framework that redefines how you design, implement, and maintain HMIs, enhancing safety, quality, productivity, and reliability across the board. Why settle for clunky, outdated interfaces when your operation deserves better? The ISA 101.01 standard ensures your HMI is designed with purpose, streamlining operations and empowering your team to make fast, accurate decisions. Your HMI needs to evolve with your operation, and that's why the standard follows a complete lifecycle model. From design and implementation to continuous improvement, it's about building an HMI that's as agile and forward-thinking as your business. Say goodbye to overwhelming cluttered screens and hello to clear logical displays that guide your team to success. With a strong focus on human factors and ergonomics, ISA 101.01 ensures your HMI adapts to your operators, not the other way around. Plus, it's not just about the system, it's about the people using it. That's why comprehensive training is a key part of the standard. Your team will gain the skills and confidence to maximize the HMI's potential, minimizing downtime, and maximizing results. Ready to upgrade your HMI and supercharge your operations? Discover how ISA 101.01 can transform your human-machine interaction at isa.org/ISA-101.